Hello YouTube. For today's video I have this Insta Mini Cam. It's from Fujifilm and it comes with a bunch of bundles here. This is Insta Mini 7S and you can see it comes with a lot of stuffs here. You got this Mini 7S light pink color. This is the the different color you can choose. You can choose pink or kind of like aqua blue or green color. It comes with different colors and so you have this mini film pack and mini photo album, and you got groovy case, and you got some frame stickers that you can stick on. You can see the look and feel here. It's kind of like a baby pink, and whatever the stops that's included in the box are kind of like a picturized over here, and it is a bundled package here. And some features it has is you can see the lens is focal is 60 mm. You can see shutter 1/62. It has auto flash if you're taking picture in low light. It has auto adjust, and you can control the exposure manually. It's around 11.29 ounce. Size is 2 inch by 3 inch, and it uses Fujifilm Instax Mini film. So it has 1 year limited warranty for the camera and 90-day limited warranty for groovy case. You can see what the contents include. So let's open the box. That's your main camera here, and the groovy case, and this is the album. You got those film here, 4 AAA battery. It's got this hand strap, user manual here. You can join the community here. Warranty, that's a user manual, and these are kind of like stickers. So this is really kind of like you can see on my palm, it kind of really decent size. So if you just press it and try to pull it up, kind of comes off. Just pull it and pull it up. You just have to pull it front and pull it up. So that's where film goes on there, and that's where you kind of like analyze your angle, everything. It has this little bit of grip size where you can put your thumb, and that's your click button here. So take the picture. If you just press it down and pull it outwards, you can see your battery slot. These are AAA battery slots you can insert on both sides. Your flash and your camera over here, and you can see that's your zoom in out, power on and off. So it has some like instructions here. You can see indoor, dark, cloudy, shady, fine, fits, and clear. So you can place desired setting to the green lamp, and you can see the setting. That's what I mentioned earlier here. So these settings you can use. That's where you can have those different settings here. That's where your film comes out once you take the picture. So it's kind of like a super it's not so heavy. It's got the you can see Instax Mini 7S, your flash, your camera over here. 60mm is 60mm focus lens here. Really slick design, curvy on all the sides, handy, really easy to use. So there you go guys. Thank you for watching this video.